Welcome to the class. In the following lessons we'll start stitching with accessories, and today we'll start from beading. Firstly, let's replace the beads onto the bobbin of the thread, which we'll be using during the exercise. I have a bundle of the threaded beads that I have to replace on the bobbin. Cut on the base. And link the edges. My edges are quite short and it's a little bit uncomfortable to bind them together. And when secured, empty your beads from the bundle to the bobbin. Untwine the edges by simply pulling the threads and you are done. And now let's exercise beading. Place the beaded bobbin onto the frame and choose any free space on your practical side. When the lock is done, we are ready to supply the beads. The process of placing stitches is absolutely the same whether you bind any accessory or not. In the beginning, make 3 to 4 holes frequency stitches and later try to shorten the space between the beads. After practicing beading a straight line, I'd like you to embroider a little square. Draw the same square and embroider one side until the upper corner. In the corner, place a short stitch with the bead and then place another little loose stitch without a bead to the opposite direction. And then again loose stitch but on the drawn line. And now continue beading with the beads. Thereby, I complete my 3 angles of the drawn square. Kindly make 2 or 3 squares to exercise the corners, and don't forget to secure the thread with a very accurate lock. Photograph your work on both sides of the frame and send it to me for verification. If you may have any questions or comments on the video, kindly attach them. Now we are ready to apply beading on our pattern. Thus, I'd like you to draw another internal rhombus in 1 cm distance from the previous one using a regular liner and a pen. You may use the Luneville threads or metal ones, that's up to you. I start from the upper corner and beading all the way down to the next corner. Apply sharp corners, photograph your embroidery from both sides of the frame and send it to me for verification. And we are done. I sincerely hope that you've enjoyed beading with me and receive a nice corners on your rhombuses.